Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Janne Pohjalainen from ABB, and I'd like to welcome you to being among the first to find out about our latest propulsion innovation. I'm very excited and honored to have you on board. Why am I excited, you may ask? Well, after years of development, today it is finally time to share the results with you. With the world changing around us, you always ask, is it the right time? We believe it is, and the day has finally come that we can reveal a radically efficient propulsion concept optimized for the future, perfected by the interplay of evolution, progress and technology. Our industry is facing major challenges today as we are in the middle of a transition to a new era. Everyone is looking for not only superior efficiency but also flexible and reliable solutions that enable sustainable and profitable operations far into the future. The framework by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, sets the new standards for ships and their operations. In short, this means that all ship operators will work on the topic of emission avoidance, both for existing fleets and for the planned new builds. On the way to a cleaner tomorrow, new emission legislation and rules will require immediate actions. Another huge challenge for the entire industry is the tackling rising energy costs while operating larger fleets. These challenges require smarter solutions to keep things moving while still consuming less energy. ABB has long been at the forefront of propulsion innovation, having undertaken a major step with the launch of the first generation Azipod system in the 1990s, which changed the way ships operate today. While the Azipod systems continue to challenge the status quo, we have embarked on a journey to further drive the future of the propulsion to the next level. Now it is the time to take the next big leap with our latest innovation that is inspired by the movement perfected by evolution. It is time to change the standards of industry again. In order to maneuver into the future, we went back in time, all the way to prehistory. 50 million years ago, a species emerged. They were huge, but their movement was efficient and fluid due to their distinctive body shape. With long pectoral fins and tubercles connected to a set of sensitive nerves on its head, the humpback is designed to move the most dynamic and powerful way. What millions of years have perfected through evolution fascinates human beings over and over again, as mankind has always sought after the most powerful, fast and efficient ways to move. What's new, you may ask, and we say nothing. The idea of mimicking the whale tail movement as propulsion has been around for 100 years. But to make an idea into reality and have a lasting impact, timing must be right. There needs to be a need, a demand. Based on the challenges ahead, we believe that now is the perfect time for us to take the leap forward. Second, we all know too well that having an idea is easy compared to actually making something into reality. Therefore, making an impact also needs another component: persistence, the ability to go the extra mile to make the idea to work to its full potential. At ABB, we understand that dreams and ideas are important, but they are nothing without hard work. It took over 10 years and a persistent group of individuals to get us to where we are today, at the beginning of a new era of marine propulsion. This is why I'm proud to introduce our latest innovative concept, an ultra-efficient propulsion system perfected by evolution, progress and technology, the ABB Dynafin. As said, mimicking the whale movement is not a completely new idea. However, through rigorous R&D and the persistence of our development team, we are able to bring this idea to reality. There is potential for radical efficiency gains. What makes our new propulsion system unique? It is our capability to control each blade individually in real time during each revolution, creating a new standard of hydrodynamic performance. Remember the whale's sensitive, connected nerves that optimize the beautiful, powerful movement. In a similar manner, our solution is capable of adapting its behavior to the needs of the operator. This technology has the potential to enable extremely high efficiency and precise maneuverability, optimized for different ship types, hull shapes, and operational requirements. ABB's combination of competencies in hydrodynamics, mechanical systems, ship electrification, automation and control puts us in a unique position in creating this ingenious integrated solution. The Dynafin will add a new level of adaptability and intelligence into the core of propulsion performance. We are aiming for an open water efficiency up to 85% due to our capability to adjust the trajectory of the blades during each revolution of the propulsor. With Dynafin, we can almost instantly change the thrust and its direction, again because we can control each blade individually. We will also have increased onboard comfort and reduced underwater noise due to low pressure pulse levels and lack of mechanical geared power transmission. So, what are the most significant benefits of the Dynafin? Let me share a theoretical example with you. A typical small passenger vessel operates 4,300 hours per year. With propulsion power of 4 megawatts, it consumes 3,200 tons of fuel. So, with 15 to 20% lower power demand compared to the current typical solution, the operator could save 600 tons of fuel per year. In addition, with the less power needed, there can be significant investment savings from downsizing main components such as engines, fuel tanks and battery banks. This again creates space for more cargo and flexibility in designing the vessel. With this concept, the operator has immediate control, supporting operational safety and flexibility. With super precise dynamic positioning capabilities, the vessel could have a wider operating window in demanding sea conditions, translating into more days in active operation. This is engineering and innovation at its finest. It follows our proven design philosophy in marine propulsion of avoiding gears in power transmission. Parts which do not exist cannot fail and do not need maintenance. As one key feature, we are using direct drive permanent magnet electric motors driving the blades, providing the least number of moving components and maintenance needed. The customer has excellent access to main components from on board the ship for easy maintenance, and time spent in dry dockings can be minimized. One key question, of course, is who are the ones benefiting from this innovation the most? We see tremendous opportunities for passenger vessels such as ferries and cruise ships, as Dynafin offers the efficiency and comfort needed for the future operations. In the energy segment, Dynafin's responsiveness in dynamic positioning offers the wider operating windows needed in highly demanding environments. From vessel-specific optimization to new vessel designs yet to be imagined, we see Dynafin enabling a wide variety of opportunities for vessels. We hope you are inspired with us. We believe that ABB Dynafin will change the way we think of propulsion systems. Our driving force and objective is to enable safe and zero-emission maritime operations sooner and for a wider range of vessel types than expected at the market today. I would like to thank our persistent and committed marine propulsion team enabling us to be here today. I would also like to thank industry professionals and customers who already have contributed with their valuable, in-depth knowledge that has supported us in verifying the concept. On my behalf, I look forward to continuing the ABB Dynafin journey together with you.